Good morning, everybody. Here to dye up another t-shirt for you. It's been soaking in our soda ash or sodium carbonate for the last 30 minutes or so. We're gonna twist it up and throw some color on it. Coming along for the ride.
This is a large.
A
grande.
Grande. Just planting some off-center bullseye.
Oh, maybe we could do it like
Opposing or just one large offset?
one right above the heart.
One right above the heart.
This one is going to be pastel for
Pastel bullseye. We haven't done just a regular bullseye in a while, so.
Well, and we haven't done pastels in a while.
No.
I've been on a dragon fruit kick.
I know.
All I wanted was dragon fruit.
To the dyeing rack.
To the dyeing rack. Ooh, it's cold.
That it is.
That sunlight.
Get some sunlight in our filming area. Gotta be able to see what we're doing here. There. Wow, that's quite a tie-dye. We might have to get over here so we can see more of it at a time. That thing is huge. Huge. Humongous. So we have some dragon fruit, a little bit, bubble gum, and a little bit of, is that sorbet?
Yes.
I'm saying? Yeah, orange sorbet, bubble gum.
And then citrus.
Some citrus yellow.
Let's see. Love this citrus.
Good too. Citrus is definitely beautiful.
Lime pop.
Lime pop?
Our good old friend, the lime pop.
We love the lime pop. I haven't seen the lime pop in quite some time either.
He's here.
Excited to see our old friend Lime Pop again.
He's here. He's queer.
He's been hiding out.
Yeah. And then we'll do like a little. Wait, hold on. Okay. And then we do a little glaze.
Glacier blue.
Little glaze. And then I want like a lavender.
Big one right next to your left hand. Look at that, lavender.
I might just do the rest of the shirt in lav. Why
Sure.
not? Yeah.
Okay. So, all told on this one, we have bubblegum, orange sorbet, citrus yellow, glacier blue, lime pop, and lavender. Whole plethora of colors. Look at that beauty in the bottom of the pan there even. Oh wow. Get the roll, the flop, the flip,
The flute.
the flip.
The flippity floppity
The
flute.
repositioning.
Orange sorbet.
Sorbet. lime pop. A little bit chunky.
He is a
He
chunky
needs a good
boy.
shake, but he'll be alright. It's because he contains turquoise. Anything that contains turquoise gets chunky, people. Turquoise is kind of chunky. And that good old lavender.
Okay, let's take him.
To the drying rack. To the drying rack.
I kind of trapped you with my bottles.
Yeah, well, that's
You go first.
We got it. Where are we going?
Middle.
Middle shelf, she says. Middle shelf. Where it will sit for the next 24 hours until we're ready to rinse it on out. Alrighty, folks, y'all have a wonderful day. We will see y'all tomorrow.